Layer Mask Essentials. In this tutorial, we shall learn about layer masks, which are a key feature of Photoshop that give us scope to hide and show selective portions of our image without damaging it. As we can see here, this document has 4 layers: a river layer, a waterfall layer, a curtain layer, and a clouds layer. Firstly, we will toggle off the visibility of the clouds and the waterfall, and we will need to add a layer mask on the curtain layer so as to blend the bottom of the curtain layer with the river layer below. To add a layer mask, we'll choose Layer and then Layer Mask and then Layer Mask, Reveal All. Right now, we are working with a photograph or a pixel-based document. We need to know that masking works the same way as Photoshop. It doesn't matter with what we are working, whether a type layer or a shape layer, a smart object. The areas where the mask is white, it will show the content of that layer. And the areas where the mask is black, it'll hide it. In case we paint with a gray, then we'll get different levels of transparency or different levels of opacity of the contents in the layer. Hence, we'll start by selecting our brush tool. In order to select it, we'll tap the B key. Since we need a larger brush, we'll right-click so as to access the brush preset picker and enhance the size here. Otherwise, we'll tap Enter in so as to hide that. In order to get a larger brush, we can use the right bracket key, or we can use the Control and the Option key. Then we can drag left and right in order to increase or decrease the size of the brush very quickly. And in order to change the hardness of the brush, we can drag up and down. We will need a hardness of 0 right now because we want a nice soft edge brush. This will give us a transition to the foreground color, which we will choose to be black, and is going to give us a nice soft edge when we paint. Thus, we'll not see a sharp transition between the curtains and the river. Thus, so as to get black as our foreground color, we'll tap the D key for our default colors and then tap the X key for swapping them, such that the foreground color in our color swatches here is black. We can use these icons too. This one on the left and the 2 swatches will give us our defaults, and the double-headed arrow swaps them. We have to ensure that our blend mode is set to normal. Both the opacity and the flow are set to 100. And then we have click and paint over the bottom of the curtain. And as we can see here in the layer mask, the areas where we painted with black, we have hidden the curtain layer such that we can see the river layer below it. And the regions where the mask is white, we can still see the curtain. Now, if we paint too much or too far, we can use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Z to undo our last paint stroke. Or else we could tap the X key and exchange our foreground and background color, and then since we are painting with white, those areas where we paint in the mask, it will reveal more of the curtain. In case we ever want to see the mask, we can just press down the Alt key and click on the mask. To view the image again, we'll click on the eye icon. Next, we will just add a bit of these clouds up in the top area of our image. So, we'll make the clouds layer visible. However, instead of adding a white layer mask, which shows all of the clouds, we will add a black layer mask. So, we'll select the clouds layer in the layer panel. Then choose Layer, Next Layer Mask and Hide All. When we choose Hide All, we get a layer mask filled with black. Now we'll paint with white in upper area of our image so as to reveal those clouds. If we set the opacity of the brush to 50% by just tapping the 5 key, then we can paint with gray in our mask and gradually start showing the clouds. If we reveal too much, we can tap the X key to paint with black to hide those clouds. We'll now click the X key again and simply reveal some more of them. Now we wish to reveal the waterfall in between the two curtains. Hence, for now, we'll toggle off the visibility of the clouds layer and toggle on the visibility of waterfall layer. However, we can't view the waterfall layer since it's underneath the curtain in the stacking order in the layers panel. Thus, so as to select this black area quickly, we'll select the curtain layer and click on the thumbnail for the image. Remember, it is not the thumbnail of the mask because we want to select the portion of the image. On the toolbar, we'll select the Quick Select tool and then click and drag down in this black area so as to select it. In case we hide the waterfall and the river layer temporarily, it might be easier to see what we are doing. We wish to select some more up at the top, so we'll go on clicking and dragging. Now we'll toggle back on the visibility of the waterfall and also the river. And now, in order to edit the mask, we'll just click on the mask icon in the layers panel. And we want to fill this area with black so as to hide it, so that we can see through the layers below. We'll choose Edit, Fill, ensuring that contents are set to black. Then click OK. And now we can see through the waterfall below. Then we'll choose Select, Deselect. If we need to reposition the waterfall, we'll just select it on the Layers panel. Switch to the Move tool by just clicking the V key and then clicking and dragging it upward. We also have to hide the bottom of the waterfall. Thus, we'll add a mask to the waterfall layer. And we'll not use the menu item. Rather, we'll use the icon at the bottom of the layers panel in order to quickly add a white mask. We'll simply select the brush tool by tapping the B key, ensuring that we are painting with black. So, we'll tap the X key. We need to enhance the opacity again up to 100%. So, we'll tap O to set that back and then click and drag down along the bottom. We want to reposition the waterfall just a little more. So all we'll do is select the waterfall layer, tap the V key and switch back to the Move tool and just use our arrow keys in order to nudge the waterfall over a little bit such that it falls between the curtain. It can be a little difficult just to remember to target the mask when we wish to work on the mask and the layer when we wish to work on the layer, but if we remember that where the mask is white, we can view the information on the layer, and where the mask is black, the information is hidden. Then we'll not find masking in Photoshop to be difficult at all.